How to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. Want to keep your conversations private on Facebook Messenger? Enabling disappearing message is a great way to ensure your chats stay confidential. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messengers so your messages can vanish after a set time. Let's get in. Launch your Messenger. You'll land to the chat section. Now open the conversation where you want to enable disappearing message. Now at the very top, you'll find the username. Click on it. Different options will appear. Under Privacy and Support, you'll find the option of disappearing messages. Click on it. Now you can set it to 24 hours or off. Once you set it to 24 hours, messages will disappear after the selected duration. If someone takes a screenshot or screen recording, a notification will appear in the chat. Messages may disappear 24 hours after they are seen for people on certain older versions of Messenger. Once you have enabled disappearing messages, you can hit back. Click on OK. Now you can type in your message and start a conversation. These messages will disappear after completion of 24 hours. And that's how you enable disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. It's a simple way to keep your conversations private and secure. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.